that joint recording. Alright, what's up? I'm back at the site and whatnot. I was gonna try to edit a video, which today will be Saturday, so I don't know when I'm gonna edit this video. More than likely today, and it'll just be out Saturday, but I'm trying to get consistent so I can actually grow. But yeah, like I said, I'm out at the site and I'm using the old camera. Yeah, we this what we got going on so far. We got a bunch of stuff put away by hand, and today I originally had recorded a video where we had got a something with a piece of equipment with a claw and just started tearing the house down. But I don't know how to get it off my camera. Until then, I don't know where I'm going with this. All I'm trying to say is that we building a house, but right now we in the demo phase, as everybody can clearly see who's watching this video. Some scrap wood right there, a whole lot of rubbish, and yeah, we just outside. And today we got another piece of equipment, which we actually got yesterday. I didn't record that though, but we got a, what do they call it, a bobcat? A skid loader. So yeah, we got the skid loader. I mean, it's nice too. I mean, I'm not gonna close the door, but it's actually like nice in here, bro. It got a screen, a digital screen right there. I don't know what that is, and then you got the controls. I don't know what I'm looking at because this is my first time in a piece of equipment like this, and the video that I was gonna upload, it's just a lot, man. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on, man. We're still in the demo phase. I just wanted to record a video. Yeah, right now I'm just outside because he had to leave. So I'm parked right there, got the trailer right here, and I'm in the big old bobcat. I just wanted to have something to upload because I want to be consistent. I'm trying to grow and get somewhere. I hope that the sun is not messing me up too bad with this on. I hope that the video can come out decent and I don't look back at it and then be like, I don't really know what to say. I really don't know what to say. Other than we're outside working and getting that old, what is it? OJT? On-job training. It's pretty fun process for the most part, except when you gotta do stuff by hand like we was doing sometime earlier this week. I think it might have been Thursday. This might be. Hello?
Hey.
Yeah.
You said you trying to tell you over there, right?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Yeah. I couldn't get it to I didn't want enough to make it lock all the way down. So I got to stand on it while it locks down at the same time.
You said somebody got to stand on it?
Yeah. If you stand on it, it'll go down real slow. It's got a hydraulic cylinder on it.
The one
The
that's...
thing about it is you got to keep weight on it in order to engage the lock on the side. And I couldn't do that. That's why I put those chains on the other side. And I tried to sit down on it and weight on the chains, and I couldn't do both of them to get it to lock.
You got it down now, cause...
Yeah, I mean, you can get it. You can, the ramp up come down real easy.
Yeah.
But you got to be able to keep the weight on it in order to lock the red handle on the side. So I just said I was going to call it cancel the appointment.
Well,
But I said, no, I ain't going to cancel. Let me go on and
get that MMI.
hey, man, I'm trying to get the MMI
Yeah.
done, bro.
Yeah.
Queasy just called me. He's in Togo.
Togo.
He just sent me a message guess they flew into Togo, and then they're going to catch another flight into Ghana, which is like flying from Kentucky to Nashville.
Kentucky to Nashville. Wow.
Yeah, it's that close, so they already on it.
Swing.